Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to start the presentation. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Teja Maulana Salam from Guidance and Counseling Class A3 2018. Today, I will present the research I have done. Is my research about improving student self-concept through client-centered counseling. The purpose of this present to find out the use of client-centered counseling in improving student positive self-concept. In my presentation, I focus on four major issues. First of all, I explain about research introduction, second method, three result and discussion, and four conclusion. I start off by explaining about research introduction. The introduction in this research, adults is a period of transition from children to adult. And in this transition period, there are many significant changes, but physically, biologically, emotional, and so on. Therefore, it is necessary this period of development because self-concept can affect the personality, behavior, and understanding of the teenager himself. Self-concept in counseling guidance is included in the personal social part where if a person has a low positive self-concept, he will have problem with self and life. So, it is very necessary to be handled by guidance and counseling teacher by using exciting service in counseling guidance. The use of individual counseling service is considered stable because the supervisor can be more free and easy to recognize student will and help student in increasing positive self-concept. One of these approach is client-centered counseling or non-directive counseling. So that the introduction in my research. Moving to the next about the method in this research. The method in this research used in this research is literature study by reviewing several journals related to guidance and counseling, self-concept, and client-center. The result of various literature review will be used to identify guidance and counseling service in improving student self-concept through client-centered counseling. So that the method I use in the research. Moving to the next about the result and discussion in my research. The result, the result of Emma Luciana Muardi Rosra Ratna Widi Astuti 2017, the implementation of research with a client-centered approach in improving positive self-concept was carried on three students who had low positive self-concept. The counseling meeting was held 2 or 3 times, and at meeting they were more motivated to improve their positive self-concept. After participating in individual counseling service active with a client-centered approach, student positive self-concept has increased compared to before they were give individual counseling service with a client-centered approach. Furthermore, in Emma Luciana research, we treat student research subjects who have low self-concept. This research was conducted on study of class 10 vocational high school. The result of this study also state that the person-centered approach can help improving student positive self-concept. This is evidenced by the change in their subject after carrying out client-centered counseling, believing in their ability, feeling equal with their friend, daring to express opinion and not being easy offended when critiqued. Based on the description above, it can be conclude the evolutionary research so that client-centered counseling can increase student positive self-concept. It can be seen that there is a change after the implementation of client-centered counseling. Some of the research above reinforce that a client-centered approach can help increase positive self-concept. Rogers believed that a counselor does not need to directly intervene or provide a solution if the counselee is able to solve the problem on his own. Because the main concept, the underlie the client-centered theory are matter concerning the concept of self, self-actualization, personality theory, and the nature of anxiety. Individuals who are said to be helped and individuals who can develop fully and can go through their life process without obstacle. Human in Roger's view are positive. He believed that humans have to are to keep moving forward, strive to benefit, are cooperative, constructive, and have kindness without the need to control their aggressive impulse. The philosophy of self-concept and the counseling process has implication for the practice of client-centered therapy, where the therapist keep the responsibility for the therapeutic process on the counseling, not the therapist who has the authority. Based on this counseling background, a negative self-concept can be increased into a positive self-concept by using a client-centered approach because the client is positioned to have the ability to make decision, especially increasing the self-concept of the student themselves. So that the result and discussion for my research. Finally, I like to convey conclusion in this result. My conclusion: study negative self-concept can be increased into positive self-concept by using a client-centered approach. This can be seen from several studies on students who discuss the same problem. This client-centered approach is entirely the result of the counseling on hard work, and the role of the counselor is only to have to help the counselee the recognize the problem of the counseling. The end of my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.